Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I have some goodies. I got a box and this is how the box arrived from Altenew. Yay! Alrighty, let's take a deeper look into my project seasonal kit and also a few other things that I ordered from Altenew. Let's get started. This is the first time that Altenew has different monthly kits and they decided to do a project kit now. They just started. And how I got into ordering one of the project kit, you can thank Jennifer McGuire. She had a video. She received the product early and then she did this video. It popped up as a suggestion. Of course, I'm like, yeah, let me watch it. And next thing I know, I hop over to Altenew and I'm getting the kit. Now the kit is sold out, but the good thing about the kit, if you like what's in it, they said they're going to restock because they didn't expect it to sell out same day. Not same day like by the night, same day like by the afternoon. So that means when I saw the video, I went and got it. Let's get into this kit. So the kit comes in the box with some of my other items on top of it. So didn't have to pay double shipping, which is good. Just for you in gold paper. Nice. Ooh, alrighty. So, like I said, this kit is sold out, but if you are interested in getting it, they're bringing it back. So you can go on a wait list on their website, and I'll put the link below and then ask to be notified when it comes up. And if you want it, go for it. Don't wait too long, because I don't know if they're going to release it a couple of times. Not sure. Super duper cute. Now the examples I saw from Jennifer McGuire, she was using mostly like this. That's what got me right there. And she did it on an acetate card. Oh, it was gorgeous. So why I like this set. 6x8 stamp. Look at this stamp. Gorgeous. Now, if I was to Copic color this thing, I think I would want to rip my hair out. But to color it, stencils, layering stencils, 3 6x6 stencils to help you with the leaves, the flowers, and so on. And then after you color it up with your stencils, using inks and all that, guess what? Here are some nice stamps. And Altenew does carry their own inks. Let me show you, because I do have for my next video like this. They do sell their layering, ink blending to help you with the florals in sets of 4. Not the cheapest thing in the world, but they're very nice. Seriously, they are very nice. And also in the set, coordinating die. So this big die right here will cut along this edge of the flower. So watch Jennifer McGuire's video. I'm definitely going to be playing with this anyway. So if you want to wait until then, but why not just look around and have some fun? And then, oh, and then the die also cuts out the words. Did she use this? I don't even think she used this. She might have used this. She was using a different Altenew stamp set actually. But, oh, I didn't know it did this. I just went, I was watching her video and just went, got it. And then it's sold out by the afternoon. Oh, this is adorable. Thanks. Hello. Oh, okay. Bonus. 3 words. And you can also, let me see if this matches. Yeah. You could probably stamp and heat emboss, but in my case, you guys know, I would be doing that in foil. No questions asked. That would be a foil thing right there. And got the shadow like that. So you could do either vellum on the back or cardstock or glitter. Yeah. No matter how long the winter, spring is sure to follow. Oh, that's pretty. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Oh, this is beautiful to put inside of a card too. If you don't want to put it on the outside. Oh, you could do hi or hello on the outside, then on the inside, put that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then here's 2 more of the flowers. I guess you can layer it up somewhere in here. Very, very pretty. Subscription. I didn't do the subscription. I did the one time. The subscription will be cheaper than the one-time purchase. And then also 3D embossing folder too. Yeah. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. So I will link this below. I will link everything else as well. Yeah, I can't wait to play with this. Open up the box. It's a nice box too. Here's a little thank you card. That's cute. You can always cut that out and do something with that as well. Nothing wrong with that. Now my little extras are these. This is new. I've shown you guys in the past on a previous haul. I bought it at scrapbook.com though, but this time I got it from Altenew. I've bought this gradient cardstock, this 3x6 gradient cardstock. So this size can fit in your smaller die cut machines, those little, you know, desktop type. This is to help you with layering flowers, like so. I like it. It takes the guesswork out of all of that flower, you know, yeah. It's just easier. Colors are ready to go. I like the red sunset. I started off with the pink, Cosmos pink or something like that. I will list the pink then, just see that I'm mentioning it now if you want to try one. Then they now have come out with glitter. So you guys know, if you watch any previous videos, I do love my glitter. Alrighty, let's look. Oh, and they said this is glitter that doesn't shed. But it's not the flat glitter that doesn't shed. It actually sparkles. Pretty. I love this pink. This pink is gorgeous. Price point wasn't that bad. And thicker. The cardstock here for the flower layering, this is thinner, but this is nice and thick. This is the same 3 inches wide by 6 inches tall. Very pretty. So it's 4 of each color. Oh, I'm loving this shade of pink, guys. This pink alone here. Oh, pretty. This now, yes, this you can probably find elsewhere. But I like, yeah, it really doesn't shed, but it sparkles. Sometimes when it doesn't shed, it's sort of flat. This is very pretty. And this, ooh, I don't know if you guys can see in person. Ooh, it's like a wine. Yeah, like a Merlot type of deal. Pretty. If you're thinking about doing any, starting any of your fall projects or something, this may be a little color glitter that you may want to get. This, oh, I'm going to get another one of this one. Pink Brilliance. Very pretty. You know, these 2 middle colors I have. Like this I'm pretty sure I can find, but this is a little different. I can't explain. What is it? I don't know. It's like, it's pink, but like pink and salmon and something else mixed up. It's pretty. That's what it is. Pretty. And I also got the ocean reflection, the blue. All right, these are the colors of the blue on the front. Nice. Okay. Yeah. All right. The blue. Okay. If I had a choice, I would go with the pink, because these blues, I'm pretty sure I have 1, 2, 3 of these colors I can find. You can find this like at your Michaels and such. This, it's a lighter blue. Maybe not the same exact shade, but I know I can find these 3 shades. But still, you know, if you like the ease of just applying an adhesive sheet at this size, this 3x6, you could take a Sizzix adhesive sheet, 6x6, cut it in half, put one here and then put another piece here. So one sheet can go on 2, roll it through your die cut machine. When it's like this, I normally would just cut a piece and then stick a piece of adhesive. That's how I go. But if you want to just roll it out, it could definitely go straight on with the adhesive sheet. This is pretty, but this is more what I can find. This, not so much. Yeah, some of the colors in there, I'm like, ooh, especially that darker Merlot one too. Love. Like, love. Alrighty, moving on. I got this, the retractable eraser from Altenew. This is it's a little eraser that says that it won't, you know, sometimes when you're erasing something on your project, you can tear the paper. This says that it won't tear the paper. I thought this was the thing to help with the, Altenew also has these little square, long, white pieces that look like an eraser. That one helps to condition your new stamps. So when you get like a new photopolymer stamp or acrylic stamp, and you know when you're stamping with it and you're seeing like, you know, it's not stamping clean, you could take that eraser and go like this and it conditions the stamp without leaving any residue on it. because I was using a sand eraser, and I think that was leaving stuff on it. And then when I would stamp, I would see little dots and little weird stuff. So this is actually an eraser. Okay, I thought this was a holder for the thing, but it's not. I did get the Altenew stamp cleaner. I'm running out of my stamp cleaner, so I've been on the hunt for a new stamp cleaner. Let me see if this thing smells. Oh, perfect. Unscented. Love it. Yes, me and my allergies. I can't do the scented. Other folks, if you love the scented, great for you, not good for me. So if you are a crafter like me, this is a 2-ounce bottle of stamp cleaner from Altenew. Multi-purpose stamp cleaner. Works on rubber stamps. I'm going to give it a try, but unscented, pretty much. Yeah, thank goodness. Happy with that. Alrighty, next up, I did get another. Yes, I'm liking the Altenew embossing folders. Can you tell? I have like the third one now. Oh my goodness. I like just this plain slats. It just gives that texture in the background. And it's a 6x6 called window slats. Super duper cute. Easy. I find their embossing folders just to be easy. Alrighty, crafters, so that's my little haul, which the biggest part of the haul is this awesome Seasonal Blooms project kit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, the price is not the lowest, but you are getting a die set. You are getting stencil. You are getting a big 6x8 photopolymer stamp set, and also the 3D embossing folder. I think that's really nice. And then my little extras. Love, 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 love. Like. Yeah, nice. Not a bad price point either. So, you know. These are nice if you have like those little small, and I think they made it that way so you can just put the little flowers and just roll it through. They have a little mini die cut machine. I will link that scene that I'm talking about. It is called the, what is it called? The Mini Blossom. It's like a little, just a little desktop die cut machine, little thing. That fits in it. Alrighty, crafters, so until the next video. Oh, and I'll definitely link this for all of my allergy friends like me that can't do any heavy scented stuff. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.